we are heading to South Australia now, where the question is being asked, are advertisements featuring ham sandwiches about to be completely banned on trains, trams and buses? The state's health minister says that's baloney, pardon the pun, but is pushing ahead with an Australian first junk food ad ban from July. And the health minister, Chris Picton, joins us now from Adelaide. Minister, good morning. Thanks for joining News Breakfast.
Thanks, James.
I think we need some context, first of all. Can you just talk us through what your advertising ban is about?
Yeah, this is all about junk food. We know in Australia we have a real issue with obesity. Unfortunately, it's overtaking smoking as a leading cause of illness across our community. And we need to take some reasonable steps. And one of those that we're taking here in South Australia is to say, on our own state government buses, we're not going to put junk food ads on anymore. This means burgers, soft drinks, ice creams, chocolate. We don't want those to be on a billboard on the side of our buses, trains and trams here in South Australia. It's a reasonable step. It's a step that's been taken in other states, such as the ACT, in other places such as London already. And it's all about trying to reduce that pester power that I know many parents feel when kids are seeing these bombarded with these ads regularly, to try to reduce that and try to deal with what's a significant obesity crisis that our country faces. So
we're seeing some vision now of you in front of a fast food advertisement that I can see is probably the target of this. But there have been advertising, lobbyists have been putting up different examples of things they expect to be banned. So would a birthday cake on a bus or a ham salad roll be ruled out under this new law?
Well, look, I think you said it right, and this is absolute baloney. And the advertising agency lobbyists don't like it. They want to force us to put junk food ads on our own buses, which is extraordinary. And so they're coming up with all sorts of clickbaity ideas to say that this would be a bad idea. We've been very clear. We want to be reasonable. We want to have a common sense approach to this. We'll look at any ad that people want to put up. I'm not sure that anyone actually advertises ham and salad sandwiches, but if they were to, then they'd be welcome to submit it and we'd work with them. We've also been really clear that if there's an incidental part of an advertisement, then we're not going to take issue with that. But we are not going to be forced by advertising agency lobbyists to put hamburgers and soft drinks on the side of our own buses, which we own as the government. We've got to take obesity more seriously. We've got to take some reasonable steps. And this is a pretty moderate step that's happened around the world. And we think it's a reasonable step to happen here in South Australia too.
Just before I let you go, Minister, I mean, as you say, this is a moderate step. I'm not sure how many people are influenced by their food choices, by what's on a bus. But are you hoping that this might lead to a broader shift where some of these advertisements just don't feature on other public spaces?
Oh, look, we haven't gone down that path here. This is all about the assets that we own. But I think that it's true to say that there's more that we need to do as a country and a society and as governments in terms of addressing obesity and helping people in terms of managing weight, because this is ultimately impacting upon our health systems and our community with heart disease, diabetes, cancer, you name it, impacted by the significant rates of obesity that we see. So this is a moderate step, but we think that there is no doubt more that we need to do together as a community to help address this crisis.